You're watching Alaska's news source, KTUU, Channel 2 Anchorage. And now Alaska's #1 news team. Sheila Balistreri, David George, Caslin Hatch, and features from Marty Glazer. This is the Channel 2 News Morning Edition.
National and international organizations see Southcentral Foundation in Anchorage as a model healthcare system, and this week Southcentral is sharing its story of healthcare innovation at its 3rd annual Nuka System of Care Conference.
Joining us this morning is the conference's keynote speaker, Dr. Don Berwick. Dr. Berwick is the United States leading advocate for high-quality healthcare. Good morning, Dr. Berwick.
Good morning.
Thanks very much for being with us. I know this is going to be a very busy day for you, so
really,
we appreciate you taking time out to be with us. Can you tell us a little bit about what the conference entails?
Conference is a way for people to learn about Nuka. Nuka is the comprehensive care system that Southcentral Foundation has organized for Alaska Natives in the Anchorage Bowl. And it's, I think it's the leading example of healthcare redesign in the nation, maybe in the world. It's an extraordinary gem.
Now, I know it's complex, but can you give us kind of just a kind of an overview of really what Nuka is all about?
It is complex. There are 8 or 9 principles guided,
sure,
but I think the attitude in Nuka is that they call it customer owners are the patients. So they're very responsive to the needs of the community. They want to keep people home and well. They use all of the resources of communities to accomplish that. It's based in primary care. You know, most of American healthcare, hospitals try to be full. That's how they survive. In Nuka, hospitals try to be empty. They try to restore control and competence and pride to the patients and families themselves, and everybody's organized that way. It's an extraordinary system.
Earlier this week there was a 3-day core concepts training, a pre-conference workshop, and we were having some video, had some video up there while we were talking. As the keynote speaker, what will be the focus of your talk today?
Well, Nuka's trying to present what it does to the world at large. It really can be a model, I think, for reform of healthcare in America, and they know it. So they've invited people to come and study how the Nuka system works. What I want to make the point about in my keynote is how big of an answer this is to the American healthcare problem. Our costs are too high, our quality's too low. Nuka's reversed that. It's among the highest quality care I've ever seen anywhere in the world, and the costs are highly sustainable.
How big of a departure is it from what we're doing today?
Massive, massive. The people who are coming here to this conference are going to see a system that's going to, if they want to achieve that, if we want to make Nuka an American standard, we really have to change a lot about American healthcare, the business models of hospitals and clinics, almost the attitudes of the system. Doctors and nurses try hard to do well, but the idea that we really are we're orienting ourselves around what they call the customer owner, that the patient is king, it's a hard sell for American healthcare. We can do it. Nuka can do it. Everyone can do it.
You know, Southcentral Foundation, as I found out, is a 2011 Malcolm Baldrige National Quality Award recipient, and now you yourself have been quoted as saying Southcentral Foundation will be looked upon as the pathfinders who led healthcare to its new and proper destination, is what you said. So what makes Southcentral a leader in healthcare?
Winning the Baldrige Award is no small thing. That's our nation's highest honor for quality of care, and Nuka's done it by making fundamental changes in the way care is delivered. Imagine a system where hospitals try to be empty. That's what we have to explain. How do you get there? What does it involve in terms of attitudes of staff? Nuka is complete teamwork. If you're cared for at Nuka, you're being cared for by a team, not fragments, and that's really important.
All right, Dr. Don Berwick, thank you so much, sir, for taking time out and stopping by today.
It is a busy day for you, as we said.
Good luck in the conference.
And Southcentral Foundation's conference is going to be held today and tomorrow. It'll be at the Alaska Native Health Campus in the Administration Building Gathering Room. It's at 4501 Diplomacy Drive. And up next...